guys! Good! Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's bare months na, char. Mafe-feel mo talaga ngayon yung sobrang mahangin-hangin na malamig-lamig. Ayan. So, mag-harvest ako ng aking kamote guys kasi nga sobrang lago na. Ipapadala ko doon sa bibigay ko sa aking Filipino friend dyan lang sa may kabilang street ba yan? Basta, malapit-lapit lang dito guys. So, haharbisin ko na to. Ayan o. Kasi magpapalaundry kami ngayong araw. Tapos, habang after ng laundry, ito yung gagawin ko. Dadaan kami dun sa bahay nila. Ayan. Nakilala ko yan si Ate Liz. May tawag nito. Dun sa Walmart. Ayan. So, kasi sobrang taba na. So, ito siya guys. Pagpuputulin na natin to. Sobrang dami na. Ayan oh, ang hahaba. Kasi ang kanyang garden doon ay yeah. I got. Ang kanyang garden doon na kamuti ay hindi daw talagang lumalago. Sabi ko, sige. Bigyan kita kasi ako lang naman ang kumakain dito sa bahay. Ang asawa ko ay hindi naman masyado. Oh. Hindi lang to guys, mayroon pa dyan sa kabila. Kaya tiba-tiba talaga nito si ate. Tapos binigyan ko rin siya ng kamatis. Kuha pa tayo dun sa kabila. Ang dami. Ito pa. So this is the sweet potato leaves na. Ang dami guys, ayan.
Did you lock the sweetie?
Yeah. So papunta na kami sa bahay ni Ate Liz guys. Ayan, may message ko na siya na papunta na kami.
Did you message Liz?
Yeah.
Let her know we're heading that way?
Yeah.
Now you know Paul and Eileen from church, right?
Yeah.
If we go down far enough, I'll show you their house.
Okay.
I did all the locks on their house. Or rekeyed everything.
So this is the road?
Yep.
Okay.
This is Wilson Creek Road.
Wilson Creek Road. It means it has a creek there? Why they named that
If
Wilson
you get way
Creek?
on back there, this road, if I'm not mistaken, this road will dead end into a creek. And the road continues on the other side, but there's no way that most cars and vehicles can get across the creek.
Okay. Oh, I like the road here. Oh, I like the...
You like the curves?
Yeah, I like the roller coaster. I think that one? No.
Nope.
A few moments later.
Oh my God! Hi! I like this one, Hala, te, ang gwapo naman yan.
Yeah, ito babae, ay lalaki, yan ang babae.
Mingming, sama ka sa akin, pauwi. Wala akong kaibigan sa bahay. Malapit na siya sa akin, guys. Kikidnapin ko na tong pusa mo.
Tamad siya
Ayan, Hala, ito yung kamatis natin sa province, diba, dati? Sa Pinas, parang ganito.
Ano to mo? Malalaki
Ayan na,
naman, kaso...
Try mo magtanim susunod, Roma
Hindi naman,
tomato. Ano yung dalawa, ba't napunta na dun? Iba na naman trip ng mga yan sa atin, halaman sa kanila. Hindi ko alam.
Nagtanim ako ng marami dito, kaso...
Ano to, melonte?
Hindi, pipino.
Pipino.
Hindi ko pinabayaan.
Ito yung sitaw mo. Ay, iba. Bakit naiksi yung sayo? Ibang klase to, te. Kaya yung sa akin to, te. Alam mo sa akin, doble yung haba. Ganina eh.
Ay, gano'n?
Oo, ganyan.
Walmart ko lang to binili itong
Bigyan kita ng buto. Magpapaano ako. Marami ako buto dun eh.
may sitaw kayo,
Itatanim.
di ba?
Oo. Ito nga, yung haba niya, doble, ganyan.
Kaya nga, sabi ko nga, bakit yung sitaw ko ganito?
Ibang
lang?
klase ito. Oo.
Pero yung buto, binili ko lang sa Walmart.
Oo. Kaganda naman ang bahay niyo. Pwede na magtambay dito minsan.
Oo, sabi ko nga sa'yo, pumunta.
Wala eh, hindi pa tayo marunong mag-drive. Hala, nagbunga na yan, te. Ang dami mo, ano. Tapos ito, te, oh. Parang hinog na, te.
Hindi, ano yan?
Ano to? Pipino yan! Eh, bakit ganyan? Atunggo?
Pipino, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Kasi yung mga deer, kinakain lahat ng
Nako,
mga tanim
pag
ko.
malapit-lapit lang ko dito, tulungan kita mag-ayos ng garden mo.
Hindi ka busy, hindi ako makapag ano.
Ayun nga, kasi may trabaho ka eh.
Diba yung nakitulong na rin siya.
Ayan. Nandamay na.
I guess we can.
Sabi, Benny, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, you don't have to.
I'm just kidding. Asawa ko. Ang tigas niyan. Kailangan mo ikat. Wala ka ba scissor?
Meron, naya mo na. Wait.
Ate, oh, may bunga ulit oh.
Malaki?
Oo, ayun oh. I'm sorry. Sabi ba, that's hard.
Yeah, it's okay.
No, I was looking at the fire.
Oh, no. I will just,
Ay, ang saya ng buhay. Ito maganda.
kalabaw ko.
Dapat eh mag-alaga ka na lang kalabaw kaya, no? Yung asawa mo.
No, not yet. Just leave it right now. The cow will eat it. It's fresh.
Yeah. Favorite ng baka to, pag may baka.
Sweetie, this is one of them stands I was wanting to build.
You should build me that
Charlie got that for $40. You just build it.
Very expensive.
And it's a plenty.
Yeah.
The thing is, $40 isn't bad because there's probably that much in lumber alone.
Oh no, but we can build our own. You should build me like this.
If I could find these for 40, I'd buy them all day long.
Yeah, before the
Oh,
snow.
really?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's kind of flimsy. They just put some braces. Cause I put like 6 like that, and then it fell down.
Asawa ko mahilig
My
mag-compost yan.
husband put the dirt
Oh.
there, and it's not good.
Iyan nga yung mga binibili na dirt. Ay, naku te. Ang pangit talaga nun. Kaya ginamit ko, compost talaga.
Oh,
Yung mga nabubulok na mga gulay.
I'm asking my husband to like
Gawa ka.
kung kaya niya ako ng paglagyan ko ng mga.
Hindi, kahit sapat lang. Ganyan, oh.
Ayun na yung pinaglalagyan ko.
Tapos takpan mo lang.
Yun na yung pinag-anuhan ko, yung may malaking kalabasa na sinasabi ng kalabasa.
Oo. Shabby Bunny, look at this tomato. This tomato has plenty of what we call that leaves and pretty, but it doesn't produce a lot of fruits. I don't know why. This is different kind of tomatoes.
It's probably a determinate variety.
Ah, determinate daw.
Determinates will only grow so much and then they stop. And the indeterminates,
Well, it goes like
It's so
I don't
tall.
know
It takes
why
to.
it's grow taller, but
Halate! What kind of?
it's that turned to like a button.
Yeah, caterpillar. Yeah,
It
this is
probably-
caterpillar.
probably be a moth.
Amot.
Yeah,
Ba't may ganyan siya?
Looks like it's got, is that aphids on it?
I don't know. Maybe.
There's a
Something. Is it a parasite that
I
trying
think egg.
to... Hala, kate. Hindi ba yan makate?
I don't
You should check
I'm gonna
it.
grab my phone. Leave that one there. I'm gonna get my phone. I got an app that.
Ay, bakit mo to tinanggal? Ano
Well,
to?
It's rotten.
I might just bring this home
Why?
for a seed next year.
Oh my God.
Ay, plantita ang buhay. Oo. Tsaka ito, dapat talaga magtanim ka ng marami nito. This is the one that attracts the butterfly.
Ang dami kong butterfly. Tingnan mo po, pag pumapasok sila dito sa greenhouse,
Oo.
namamatay sila.
Eh, paano kasi hindi mamamatay? Wala silang pagkain.
No,
Hala.
ang dami.
Wala silang pagkain, te. Kailangan nila ng nectar every
Yan
day.
yung pusa ko. Yan, gumawa.
Sipag na pusa mo. Ang pangit ng mga topsoil nila, ate, ano, yung mga binibili. Naku, wala talaga akong tiwala. Ang lahat ng tinanim ko, payat.
Bye, may isaon.
Ay, ayan na si ate.
They just keep coming though.
I need to bring this home for the seed next year.
Oh, she gets here after all the work's done? She missed out.
Still have plenty to do.
Hey, I'm gonna work in my home. Hey, Rob, it's good seeing you again. Nice seeing you again, Charlie. Y'all come over anytime. Oh, you get here after all the work's done, huh? You see that back there? That's the way that's
Ah! So what's that?
Well, the white thing is a parasitic wasp egg.
That attached to the caterpillar?
Yep.
Eating the leaves too.
Yep. So, tapos na ang pagdadamo. Nabawasan na.
That's
Like an egg.
So, we're back home now. So, ayan, kasi nga, sabi ko magdidilig pa ako ng halaman namin sa labas. So, ayan, nakaka-enjoy guys. Tapos, na-meet ko pa yung isa, si Ate Judith. So, ayan. So, malapit lang. Sobrang lapit. 8 minutes lang yung drive namin papunta sa kanila, diba? So, ayun, next time, punta ulit kami doon, mag-picnic kami, and then mag-grill. Ayan. So, napakasaya. Tapos, habang nagchichika kami ni ate, ayan, nagbubanding. Ayan, tinulungan ko siya magbunot ng damo dun sa kanyang mga garden. Ayan, so far, ang tagal namin dun ni husband. Ayan, so nag-enjoy din naman siya. Ayan, napakasarap sa feeling na makahanap ka ng Filipina friend na talagang, alam mo yung, simpleng tao lang sila. Ayan, pero they have a pretty house, but you know, they're just very simple people. That's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, bye!